This is Panta again, FX Tips Studios. You know, there are 5 things about Forex trading and the Forex traders on social media will not tell you, of course, except Panta. Please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And the FX Tips Studios has our website. It is the www.fxtipstudios.com. You have to visit there every day for our professional analysis. You have to visit there every day to see the signals, the live charts, and everything about Forex trading. Now, you've seen so many traders on social media, and by chance, it is by high chances that you've landed on many social media traders who are showing off very big, very huge profits, who are showing off how they make lots of money in Forex trading. But now, there are a few things that those traders will not tell you. And if you're a beginner, be cautious before you start trading, because there are certain things that everyone holds at their back. And I will reveal to you the secrets today. 1. No one is 100% perfect in Forex. Everyone has their bad day. But you find that most of the social media traders will not post their bad days. They will only share their profits on their social media platforms. I'll show you how they are making 5k in seconds, how they are making 5k in just minutes. But there is a day that one is going to turn around and they lose the 5k. So anyone who tells you that you can make 5k in minutes, know that you can lose 5k, I mean US dollars, 5k in minutes. That is very possible as well. So 70% of the social media traders are on demo accounts. So they are going to be entering it very unprofessionally. They are going to be entering, like we've seen so many screenshots where they are entering more than 10 trades on a single player. That's not professional. That's so risky. So you are being enticed by the many profits, but you are not looking at the consistency. So anyone who shows you how they are making 10,000 US dollars, they are making 5,000 US dollars in just minutes, and you just getting enticed, you are persuaded to contact them, and then they are going to give you that inconsistent strategy at very expensive rates, because you think that that's what works every day. They only post that when they make it, but there is a possibility of losing it. The third thing is that social media traders only will post their profits. So you will not be able to know when they lose. And as I've told you, no one who is going to be here making money every day. Okay, you can make money on average every day, but there are also those losing days. So at least someone who is so consistent, you find that at least with their 5 trades, they are going to win the 3, sometimes or even the 3 loses. But at least it's making sure that by the end of the day, on average, you have made more than what you have lost. So you find that they will only post that screenshot when it has moved in profits. They will not post that screenshot when it has moved in the losses. So you be careful as you are trying to copy, as you're trying to think that there's someone out there on YouTube, there's someone out there on Facebook, someone out there who is posting on their WhatsApp status, they're making lots of profits. You ask them for their 1 month statement, their 1 month trading history, and look through it. You will see that actually even on average they have even lost more, many of them. However, there are those who are good, who have content, but there are those who are just out of hype. There are so many traders on social media, it's just out of hype. They get to their demo account, put their 10,000 USD, and then after putting 10,000 USD, they are going to be entering very big lots. You find someone entering like lot 5, lot 10, they are entering lot 3, and they are entering this in very many numbers. I tell you that will crush you. That will crush you. And the 4th thing is that more than 80% of traders lose money. That one they may not tell you. But Forex is very risky. It is very risky to the extent that you can lose everything in just minutes. So you have to be careful with the risk management. Most of these traders do not show you the risk management part of your trading. You have to make sure that as you are trading, you are managing risk. That's what leads to consistency. So you need a strategy, and being consistent on that strategy, you plan your trades and then you trade your plan. That you follow such principles. You know what your strategy is comprised of, and you follow that. But if you go off and you you follow off the people who are posting the results, signals from here and there, you are entering each and every signal, that is going to crush you. So that means that if you are to stay in the markets, you have to know how to manage risk. Forex is very risky to the extent that 80% or more or slightly less lose money. Of the retailers who invest in these markets lose money. So you should be very careful as you are trading. You have to know the strategy. You have to know how profitable your strategy is. You have to build a trading system. And after building all these, you have to make sure that you put them to test and see if they work over time. How is their consistency over the time? You have to follow up. You assess your strategy. You improve it every time. So if you find yourself in temptations like you are going to go off the risk management, you're going to go off the professional of trading just because of the social media you see, just because of the guys you see bragging with their screenshots on social media, you are going to crash. And the fifth thing I'm here to tell you is that more than 80% of the social media traders, the people you see bragging on YouTube with screenshots, the people you see on Facebook bragging with their screen recordings, they are not professional. More than 80% of them. And I tell you, if you want to trade the market and you be consistent, you stay in the market for a long time, you have to be a professional. You have to think like the professionals, because for them they don't gamble around. Professionals follow principles. Professionals act on information. They don't just gamble around. They don't just try their luck. They are acting on information. They are acting on strategy. So you have to trade like the professionals. Do not be like the 80%. About the 80% that lose the money just because they are trying their luck. So I'm making this video just for you to take right decisions before you try to follow somewhere, before you try to be to give up, because you may try to give up yet you're not following the right thing. You may try to give up your trading just because you are not having the right strategy. That's why for us we've come up with www.fxtipsreviews.com. We share free analysis, professional analysis. People who have allowed our notifications, who have visited our website. If you have downloaded our app actually from Play Store, you can download the app from Play Store to help you access the information or is on our website in time. You just have to go and view the analysis, free analysis. We have free live chats where you can do technical analysis from and follow up your strategy, as well as seeing the analysis from others. It's very dangerous for you to trade alone, so you have to make sure that every time you're going to trade, you see what other traders are thinking of what you are thinking or of what you are about to trade. So make sure that you are investing wisely. Make sure that before you press that trade, you are spending 80% of your time doing analysis, and only 20% to monitor around that trade after entering it with the right lot size. Do not be so expectant in market as you are seeing. You are being enticed as you see people entering with their lot 5. You can still enter 0.05 and you will make money. So make sure that you manage risk. If you want to, we have those materials. We have the education materials on our website, on the education and mentorship page. We have the risk management. I've uploaded that book. It is there available for download. You just have to go on the website and look for the education and mentorship page, and you'll find that it is there right for download. I thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. You can find the link to our website in the description. You can also find more videos here on YouTube where we produce content regarding forex trading, cryptocurrencies, and capital markets in general, so that you can become a pro and you trade like a pro. Thank you for watching.